Come guys, if you are watching this video, your Microsoft activation key has failed. If yes, I got it covered. In this video, I will show you 4 different ways to resolve it. All you have to do is to watch this video from beginning to the end and subscribe to our channel. Close your app. First solution, ensure date and time settings are correct. How to reset your time? Right click on time. Click on adjust time and date. Click on set time automatically. Check if your date and time are correct. If not, set the date and time manually. Close the window. Solution 2. Remove duplicate copies of MS Office. In my own case, I have 2 Microsoft Office installed on my computer. Office 2021 and Office 2022. So I have to uninstall one, and to do that, press Windows plus R. Type in Control Panel and click OK. Click on Install a program. I have 3 Office installed on my computer. After you have successfully uninstalled the app, restart your computer and check if the product activation field issue has been fixed. Solution 3. Run the activator. Press Windows plus E. Navigate to local disk C. Click on Program Files x86. Click on Microsoft Office. Click on Office System. Right-click on OSP/RAM and run as administrator. Click on Yes if you are prompted by UAC. That is all. Check if this has fixed the product activation field error. Products activation successful. This is Microsoft Office. PowerPoint is working perfectly. If this haven't solved your problem, check the next solution. Solution 4. Microsoft Activation Script. Search and open PowerShell window. Copy and paste the command I provided in the description of this video and press Enter. Click on Yes. Press the corresponding number on your keyboard based on your desired action. Press 3. On the next screen, press 2, which is Activate Office. That is all. Product activation successful. Press Enter to exit and close the window. Check if the product activation field issue has been resolved. PowerPoint is working. Microsoft Word is also working. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on the next video. Thanks for watching.